Ever been sitting at a red light and suddenly your car starts shaking like a washing machine off balance, and then that dreaded check engine light starts flashing right in your face? That flashing light is your car begging for help because raw fuel is dumping into your exhaust, and if you hook up a scanner, you are probably going to see a P0306 trouble code. In plain English, your powertrain control module, or PCM, has detected a severe misfire specifically in cylinder number 6. Now, an engine needs 3 basic things to run properly, which are fuel, air, and spark. On most modern Obd2 vehicles, you have a distributorless coil-over plug ignition system where each cylinder gets its own high-intensity ignition coil sitting right on top of the spark plug. The engine computer uses sensors to know exactly when to send a ground pulse to that coil, firing a massive 50,000-volt spark to ignite the air and fuel mixture. When that spark fails to happen, the cylinder goes dead, your engine RPMs drop, and you get that terrible rough idle. The most common culprit is a dead ignition coil, a fouled spark plug, or a torn rubber spark plug boot that is leaking voltage. But do not just load up the parts cannon right away. I always tell people to use the simple swap method. If you can easily reach cylinder 6, carefully swap its ignition coil with the coil from a good cylinder nearby, like cylinder number 5. Clear the trouble codes, take the car for a quick spin, and see if the misfire moves to cylinder 5. If the scanner now reads a P0305, boom, you just proved the coil is bad without spending a single dime on testing equipment. If the misfire stays on cylinder 6, you need to pull the spark plug to inspect it, listen for a clicking fuel injector to make sure it is pulsing, or look around for a massive intake vacuum leak or a stuck open EGR valve. Remember, ignoring a flashing check engine light will quickly melt your catalytic converter, turning a simple spark plug job into a massive repair bill. So get under the hood and track down that dead cylinder today.